Welcome to my channel today. I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic to every potential new intermediate or professional forex trader out there. That is the ultimate guide of finding or choosing the best MT4 broker. Why do I say this is very crucial? Let me use the word crucial matter for every forex trader out there. The foundation. However, we have thousands of forex brokers out there. So making the right selection, choosing the right broker becomes a very difficult task for others. That is one of the reasons I make this video, so that you will learn or pick from someone who has been a victim of the wrong brokers in life. Please, if you are interested in learning more, if you are here to advance your course from a very right foundation, please subscribe, share, be part of my channel so that we'll grow together. What the algorithm will do is, once you like this channel, it will show it, this video, it will show it to other people that are searching for this kind of information. Why do you need to choose the right broker? Or why do you need the right broker? Now, let me tell you something. The broker is the foundation of every successful forex trader. No matter how good your trading strategy is, no matter how good your plan is, no matter how disciplined you are, no matter the amount of money you are ready to stake in FX, once you jam the wrong broker, you will never make it. The broker is a platform provider. The broker, let's liken this forex to football. You, the spectator, will not enjoy watching football if the pitch is rough and bad. Then the players, the world-class players, cannot display their talents, their expertise on a very rough and dirty pitch. So applicable to you as a forex trader. No matter how good you are, you cannot perform on a very wrong platform. So the broker remains a very crucial, essential part of your forex trading. So for being here searching for the best MT4 broker, that means you have solved 90% of problems that most forex traders do. It was until I realized the importance of checkmating my broker, I never made money from the market. Yes. When I started studying my brokers, I said, oh, is that one of the reasons I don't make money? That was how I persistently search until I got the broker I'm using today, and they have not failed me over year. Who is that my broker, and why do they remain and will still remain my broker until the day I said goodbye from trading forex? You will know as we progress in this video. You must know the essential parts or features of a forex broker. You must know that. Excuse me. You must understand these features. If they are not there, if anyone is missing, then be very careful with that broker. What is the first thing to do? Is to know if the broker is regulated. Yes, it is paramount. So to use a broker, the broker must be regulated by reputable authorities like FCA, ASIC, or CYSEC. The reason for that is you are in the market to make money, but before then you stake your own money. Once you stake your money on the wrong broker, it's as good as gone. So you must check if these brokers are regulated. You will learn how to know if a broker is being regulated. Then the types of accounts and trading instruments he provides. Very, very essential. What are the instruments? Do they have forex? Do they have CFDs, stocks, or other assets? The platform, the instrument they provide, yes, it is indication of these people are serious in business. What kind of accounts? Some brokers are interested in high funded accounts. Some are beginner friendly that you can even start with $1. Yes, this is exactly what you check of a broker. Regulation, then account type. The next thing is trading cost and fees. This is essential part also. You check the spread. What does it cost you to enter a trade? If the difference between the buying and selling of a currency pair is high, which is called spread, it makes you, it reduces your momentum once you enter trade and see huge amount of money has been removed as the spread for broker. What if you enter trade and see there is little money that goes to the broker? Then obviously you have that energy to trade. Some brokers charge you for being inactive on the platform. Yes. Some will tell you after 30 days if you don't trade, your money will go, or some percentage will be removed from your money. While some don't care. Whenever you are ready, come to trade. Now, what are the MT4 features? Does the broker offer full MT4 suite, including expert advisors? Do they have tools, charting tools that will make you, is there provision for you to add even your own plugins or EA so that you can trade? Let's look at this broker, for instance. Let's see this broker. This is what to me. You can see this broker has tools. They have the trend line, the channel. Let me just, you see, this gives you the channel. This gives you the line, the horizontal line to know. This is a trend line to determine the trend. They have a lot of other indicators that you can use, Bollinger Band, momentum, a lot of features, and it's welcoming. This is full-fledged MT4 platform provided by a broker. You see how simple it is, highly welcoming. Then, one of the most greatest feature you have to access the reliability of the customer service. How fast are they? How responsive are they? Does it take a broker 24 hours to reply, even 12 hours? Does it take them 12 hours, 24 hours to troubleshoot your problem, to get back to you? Now, please take note of all these things because I will liken them to the broker of my choice, because this is why I am here to guide you to make the right choice of broker, knowing fully that it is the foundation of every successful forex trader. Beyond the basics, what are the minimum deposits? Which I've said it. How much capital do you need to start? Some brokers, I said, are after high funded account, while some are beginner friendly, where you can start with minimum as $1. Educational resources, mobile trading. Yes, are you a broker interested in you becoming a professional trader? Let me tell you, a broker makes money from the market, makes money from your mistake, but most friendly brokers want you to make money while he makes money or they make money. So they will provide you with educational section of forex, technical analysis, market analysis. They will take you along in all they do to make sure you become a better trader. Do they have a mobile trading app? Can you trade on the go? Please take note of this. These are advanced features that determines who a broker or a broker that provides good MT for. When you consider all these things, as I said, what do you look at further? I still hammer on regulations. FCA for UK, account, CYSEC for Cyprus account, ASIC Australia. These are regulatory bodies ensuring that your fund is protected. Now, how do you know? How do you know if a broker is being regulated? If the other features you can find, how do you know? Now, this is how you know. The first thing you do is write to the broker, any broker of your choice. Ask them who are their regulators. One, ask them what is their regulatory identity number. What is the website of their regulator? Use that number. Go to the regulator's website to search. That is one way to know how reliable or how secured your fund is. Secondly, read other people's review. Yes. How do you read other people's review? Let me give you an instance. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this site. This is Octa FX review. This Octa, it has over 7,000 reviews. Excellent review of 4.5. And the comments are, this is the comments. This person says, I like this broker because it has no swap or commission. That is the feature. In this case, he doesn't charge commission or swap. However, it should improve its customer support service, which is only treated by bot. But I'm telling you that no, it does not only treat. You will first interact with the bot. Once you demand to be connected to an agent, you'll be connected to an agent instantly. And no matter the problem, you have your response within 3 hours. Let's check another one. This has been a guide and confidence to whenever I plan my strategy. I call it my guardian. Yes. This the broker. Let me go to good. I've been using Octa for a very long time now. Past couple of months, the withdrawal have been very little slow, but I've always received them. I withdraw some money today and it reached my bank account in less than an hour. Hope they keep this speed. Now I'm telling you that withdrawal is less than 30 minutes. Now let's go back to the slide. So you can see that what other people are saying about this broker. The customer's care. I've told you less than 3 hours you have your response. Create a demo and see how they will attend to you. Now back to the question, who is my best MT4 broker and why? My best MT4 broker is Octa Forex. Why? All the features I mentioned here, all the features I mentioned over here, they have it maximum. They are highly regulated, user-friendly. In fact, let me take you to the site so that you can testify Octa FX. So you can see things yourself. You can see they have a promotion. Okay, let's see the analysis and education. Superb. Trading platform, they have MT4 as a first trading platform with the feature. In fact, this is their trading platform. You see full-fledged MT4, very welcoming. That is the first thing or second thing. Now, let's go to costs and fees. It will shock you to understand that this broker has 0% swap, no commission. Everything is very tight spread, as you can see. And they give you free educational material. In fact, I have no much to say than use the link below to sign up with this broker. Now the bonus is once you sign up with this broker, you have 1 month free trading signal. My signal comes with total explanation of why you would trade that particular pair, or I will give you my own personal trading idea. Once you sign up, meet me, let me give you general concept of how I trade Forex, how I make a living from forex. How forex is my number one source of income. Yes. So hope you've known who is my broker and why. You remember the review screen I showed you? Yes. That is why I am a full follower of this broker over years. I hope with this you've understand you can make choice of the right broker anytime in the world. Use the link below, join Octa Forex. You will always be sure that your money is safe and you have the room to trade any signal using any indicator you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, be part of my channel once more. Thank you.